Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a really good Clickbank method that you can use to drive some really high traffic to your products. And guys, let me say at the beginning that this is 100% free and it can be done from anywhere in the world as long as you can access Clickbank. Now if you can't access Clickbank because of where you're at, then you'll want to use Digistore24.com. There you can use those products. Anybody in the world can access Digistore24.com. They're based in Germany. You can do this method with any affiliate product that you want to use. Okay, the site that we're going to use today to market our product is a classified site. It's a really good one, and this is going to be a volume game. In other words, the more products that you post in all the different areas, the more opportunity you will have to make more and more money. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this. But first of all, for the people that are new to my videos, like I always like to do, I want to welcome them to the channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you're new, reach down there below your video right now. Click that red subscribe button and make sure you click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel because I want to help bring more time and financial freedom into each and everyone's life. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started in on this. It's a really easy method. This shouldn't take long. I'm going to show you one time how to do this, and after that it's just a matter of you guys taking over and really posting the affiliate products that you want on this high traffic classified website, which is 100% free. So let's go ahead and get started on it. First of all, of course, you want to come over here to clickbank.com, guys, and I don't need to tell you, if you don't have an account with Clickbank, it's free to sign up. Just go to clickbank.com and click on sign up and fill out their form, and then when you click register or sign up, they will send you an email confirmation. Make sure you get that checked out and get your account validated. Come back, get logged in. Click on the marketplace right up here where you see my mouse is here, guys, and that brings you over here to the marketplace page. And then all I did here, guys, like I said, you can use any affiliate products you want with this particular method. In fact, the more products that you post, probably even the better opportunity that you'll have to make money, which you'll see here shortly. So all I did, guys, right here is I just clicked on this search button right here without entering anything in, and then I searched by gravity right here, guys, and then it brought up all the top products on Clickbank, and this is the first page of many. Okay, and I found this one right here. This is a brand new product right here called Java Burn. It's a weight loss product, and that is the one I'm going to use today. You can make $114.07 per sale on this. Okay, and if you look right here, guys, you see where my mouse is right here. It's got recurring billing on this too, which, so in other words, it's a subscription type of thing. So whenever your customer comes back next month and buys more or re-ups, guess what? You're going to get paid again. Okay, so that's a good thing. You want to pick a product that probably has recurring billing where you see these double arrows are. So I'm going to use this one here. Let's take a look at the sales page here, guys. It is Java Burn. This is a brand new product on Clickbank. Of course, you can use any of the ones you want, and it talks about it's over 80% off. It's a really good. It's something that helps people lose weight just by drinking coffee, and it's supposed to increase their metabolism and things like that. It's a really good product. And by the way, guys, for our method, we will need a picture, and I've already taken this picture right here and downloaded this picture to my computer, so which you will see coming up when we go to market this. So anyways, find your product, get your product that you want. This is a really good one here. It's got a 60-day money-back guarantee, and it's a really good product right here. It's brand new, and it does look like there are a few people that are marketing it right here, because if you look, the gravity right here, guys, look at this, 573.9. That's 573 people that are marketing this brand new product and making this kind of money right here. So let's go ahead and join them. Okay, all right, so we will come back here in a little bit and we will get our link by clicking right here on promote, and then we will generate our hop link right here. Okay, so we'll come back to a little bit later. So now once you have your product you want to come over here to this site right here, guys. You can see it right here. It's called Boo-Koo. You can see it up here in the address bar, guys. It's bookoo.com, bookoo.com. Pretty easy actually. And this site is a classified site, and this is the primary site right here. But as you can see, that this is available all over the world here. Look at all these countries here in every state in the United States right here, guys. Each one of these pages has their own traffic to them. So I can show you the traffic to the main site right here by clicking on Similar Web. And if we scroll up here, you can see that we're on it. And if I scroll up here, you can see that it's about 220,000 people come just to the main site right here. And if we scroll up here, you can see that most of the traffic, about almost 70% of it, comes from the United States. And then it's also about 20 from Germany, and so on and so forth. So these are the top tier countries. So we've got a good site right here that we're going to place our ads on. Okay, now as you can see, you can pick anywhere. In fact, can you imagine if you marketed all affiliate products in every single page that this place has? Boy, you ought to be about a millionaire, I think. But nonetheless, there's a lot of things here. So basically, what we're going to do is it's free to join here, guys. You can click on join, and it says let's get started. So they want us to pick a community first. So I'm going to pick a high populated area to go ahead and post my ad in. So that probably would be, to me, I would think Los Angeles, California. So right here under California, guys, I'm going to come down here and click on Los Angeles right here. That's a lot of high. Even New York City would be good. Anything that has high population, and then work your way down from there to lesser population areas. So it says here, hi, welcome to the Los Angeles Buku. Now we want to sell stuff. We're going to click on right up here where it says sell stuff here. And if we click on that, it wants us to select a category right here. And now since we're in the weight loss, and you can see right over here, guys, these are the paid. It's going to cost you like $3 to be able to post in these particular categories right here. But everything else is free to post in. So I'm going to go ahead and post in, since it's a weight loss, I'm going to post in health and beauty here because I don't see any direct weight loss. Well, it could go under medical, I suppose. I don't see any other than that direct. Well, fitness and sports, exercise and golf could probably go there possibly. But I'm going to go ahead and go with health and beauty right here, guys. Click on that. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and log in here. Now, it's free to sign up. And when you click log in, it brings you here. And you can create an account or log in with your Facebook or your local email. But if you need to sign up, we can click here. And you can do, again, Facebook or create a local account right here on the account. Okay, so but we're going to go ahead and sign in. And my email address here, and we'll sign in. What we want to do is we want to sell stuff here. So we're already in the Los Angeles Buku area here. So I'm going to click right here about sell. I'm going to pick on the health and beauty category, and it brings us over here to this right here. So we want to put a title in right here, guys. I'm not going to make you sit through here and watch me do all this. What I'm going to do is go ahead and do this, and I will come back and show you the final thing in here and show you how I did that, and then that'll make this video a little bit smaller so I don't have to keep you guys waiting. Okay, I'll be right back in just a moment. Alrighty, guys, and you can see right here on your screen, I went ahead and filled in all the blanks here for us. I'll explain to you what I did. I simply typed this title. I just put in the new weight loss metabolism booster Java Burn. I should put a little statement mark there, exclamation mark. The price is $49 on one pouch of this. So I just put that in right there. And then I uploaded that picture I told you guys earlier that I downloaded to the computer. I just uploaded that there. And then I put in and came over and got information off the Java Burn site here, guys. And you can see right here, I just copied this information right here, down here, and put it in over here as the description right here, guys. And then I went back to the marketplace. I clicked on promote, which is right here, guys. And you can see, make sure that your account nickname is in this box. And then I put the tracking ID. This is optional. And I just put Buku in there. And as you can see, it gave me the link right here. When I clicked on generate hop links, it gave me this link with the tracking ID right there. Then I just copied this, guys, and then I brought it over here to tiny URL, pasted that Clickbank link in right there, clicked make tiny URL, and it gave me this link right here. So if we, for example, we run a little test on it here and paste it in there and go, it should bring right over, and it sure does. It brings over and gives them the video sales letter here, which will put the links and stuff down here once it runs through that video sales letter, and they'll be able to click on that and buy the product right there. And then what I did was I typed right here, I put that information in for the description, and then I typed right here, learn more here, and then it pasted in my tiny URL link right there, guys. And from that point, you can just come down here and click post the item for sale here, and if you can include your name if you want, or your phone number. I'm not going to do that. And then we'll just click right here on post the item. And as you can see right here, guys, it says thanks for posting. It says you have 10 minutes to make changes before it goes live for all people to see. So if you needed to make changes, you can edit the item right here, and it shows your items here too, and you can post another ad if you want, which I recommend you do that. You want to post as many products as you can in as many areas as you can. So you can see that our ad is right here, the new weight loss metabolism booster Java burn, and then right here you see it's got our affiliate link. So if they highlight that, I'm not sure, it might be clickable once it goes live. If not, all they got to do is copy it and paste it in, and they can go to it and find out more about it, or they can send a message here as well. And that's how you do that, guys. You just want to do this in as many of these categories as you can. I mean, you can come back to Buku and choose another city and post it in as many cities and states and countries all over the world, guys, as many products or affiliate products as you want. Of course, like I said, the more you do, the more opportunity you're going to have to make money with your affiliate products. You see how that works, guys? It's a volume game. That's the way affiliate marketing is, this type of affiliate marketing. It's a volume game. The more you do it, the better chance you have to make money. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you go. That's the video I had for you today. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave any comments down there in the comment section if you have any comments about this method. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little notification bell down there as well. And if you want to see my formula on how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out what's available for you. It'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer where you can make thousands in one day's possibility. All right, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making method. You guys take care and have a great day today. Bye-bye now.